Hello dear kids. Today we are going to learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Let's get started. In the previous chapter of subtraction, you learned the basics of subtraction till subtraction of 2-digit numbers, right? Now we are learning subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Let's solve these examples. 727 minus 403. 727 is 7 ones, 2 tens and 7 hundreds. 403 is 3 ones, 0 tens and 4 hundreds. Let's subtract. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 0, 2 itself. 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4? 3. So this is the difference of 727 and 403. Let's solve this example. 298 minus 145. You know 298 is 8 ones, 9 tens and 2 hundreds. 145 is 5 ones, 4 tens and 1 hundreds. Let's subtract from ones. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? Yes, 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. Let's subtract hundreds now. 2 minus 1, 1. 298 minus 145 is 153. Did you understand subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping? Now let's see some examples with regrouping. 584 minus 357. Let's see how to subtract this. 584 is 4 ones, 8 tens and 5 hundreds. 357 is 7 ones, 5 tens and 3 hundreds. Let's subtract now. Let's start from ones. 4 minus 7. Can you subtract 7 from 4? No, right? Because 7 is a bigger number. So we'll borrow 1 from tens. So this 4 becomes 14. 8 becomes 7. Let's subtract now. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7, 7. What is 7 minus 5? 2. Then subtract hundreds. 5 minus 3, 2. So the difference is 227. Let's try this example. 857 minus 328. What is the expanded form of 857? 7 ones, 5 tens and 8 hundreds. 328 is 8 ones, 2 tens and 3 hundreds. Let's subtract now. 7 minus 8. Since 8 is a bigger number, we have to borrow 1 from tens. So 5 becomes 4 tens and this 7 becomes 17. So we can subtract 17 minus 8. What is 17 minus 8? 9. 4 minus 2? 2. Let's subtract hundreds. 8 minus 3? 5. So the answer is 529. Let's solve these examples. 325 minus 181. 325 is 5 ones, 2 tens and 3 hundreds. 181 is 1 ones, 8 tens and 1 hundred. Let's subtract. Let's start from ones. What is 5 minus 1? 4. Let's subtract tens now. 2 minus 8. Can we subtract 8 from 2? No, because 8 is a bigger number. So we take 1 from here. So this 2 becomes 12 and 3 hundreds becomes 2 hundreds. Let's subtract now. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Let's subtract hundreds. 2 minus 1. 1. So the difference of 325 and 181 is 144. Here we are regrouping tens and hundreds. Let's see this example. 448 minus 156. 448 is 8 ones, 4 tens and 4 hundreds. 156 is 6 ones, 5 tens and 100. Let's subtract from ones. 8 minus 6, 2. 4 minus 5. Since 5 is a bigger number, we will borrow 1 from hundreds place. So this 4 becomes 14. This 4 becomes 3 hundreds. So let's subtract 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 292. Here also we are regrouping tens and hundreds. Now let's try this. 425 minus 136. 425 is 5 ones, 2 tens and 4 hundreds. 136 is 6 ones, 3 tens and 1 hundreds. Let's subtract from ones. 5 minus 6. What is 5 minus 6? Since 6 is a bigger number, we need to borrow from tens. So this 5 becomes 15 and 2 becomes 1. Let's subtract 15 minus 6. What is 15 minus 6? 9. Then subtract tens. 1 minus 3. So 3 is a bigger number here. So we'll borrow 1 from hundreds place. So this tens value becomes 11 and hundreds value becomes 3. Now let's subtract tens values. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now let's subtract hundreds values. 3 minus 1. 2. So the difference of 425 and 136 is 289. Let's subtract this. 521 minus 332. 521 is 1 ones, 2 tens and 5 hundreds. 332, 2 ones, 3 tens and 3 hundreds. Let's subtract. 1 minus 2. Since 2 is a bigger number, here also we need to borrow 1 from tens place. So this 1 becomes 11. This 2 becomes 1. Now let's subtract ones. 11 minus 2. 9. Now let's subtract tens. 1 minus 3. 3 is a bigger number. So we need to borrow 1 from here. So this tens become 11 and 5 becomes 4. Let's subtract tens now. 11 minus 3, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. So the difference of 521 and 332 is 189. Did you understand subtraction of 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping? Okay, you try these examples, children. We'll see you in the next class.